Welcome to our video about Monticello's second literacy flag, KIM Vocabulary. This strategy helps students prepare for reading a text by focusing on the vocabulary they will encounter when they read. We know that if students do not know important words, they will miss essential information or misunderstand parts. Using vocabulary strategies like KIM Vocabulary helps students better comprehend. This strategy has four main parts. The K stands for key vocabulary word. The I represents information or definition, and the M stands for memory cue or picture. The fourth part of the strategy involves writing a sentence using the vocabulary word. KIM Vocabulary begins by introducing the word to students using something that students can identify with. This often comes in the form of videos, pictures, stories, or examples related to the word. The teacher, or you as a parent, talks to students about what they think the word means based on these examples, and students agree on a definition that is correct. This definition gets written down in the I box. Students will compare these definitions and even add to them based on what their classmates say.
Matthew, read what you had for analyze.
To look at pictures.
Good. Anybody have something different? Asu. Observe. Anybody else?
Scanning.
Scanning. What else?
Matthew. To look closely at parts.
Okay.
Certain parts.
To look closely at parts of something. I like that. And you know, we said that, and I'm going to add that on because I didn't have that, and I have it on another class, but it's really important to, when you analyze, you're not just looking at the whole picture, you're looking at the individual parts and then kind of separating it out, kind of looking at it super closely. Anybody have something different? Say to understand. To understand, analyze, so that.
After filling in the first two boxes, students will often work with someone else to determine a memory cue to help them remember the meaning of the word. Brain research shows that creating pictures or symbols to represent an idea will help people remember the idea. Students might discuss the pictures that they are forming in their head that help them think about the word. They might choose to use a similar picture or decide on different versions. We also know from brain research that it is a good idea to color in the picture or symbol to help hold the idea in memory.
How about bacteria?
I'm thinking elements of type water, fire. You're shitting me.
Things that make up nature and what happens.
So water.
So we just draw like
What?
rivers.
That looks more like a door.
Finally, students write sentences using the new word. They often share their sentences with each other and give feedback to help make the sentences more clear. This strategy works best when students learn about vocabulary words in multiple classes. Our teachers at Monticello collaborate to identify words that are used in many different content areas and have multiple meanings. When we all work together, students have a more complete understanding of the word and expand their vocabulary as a result. We hope you'll continue to work on this and other vocabulary strategies with your students at home. The more words they learn, the better readers and thinkers they will become.